This video demonstrates the assembly process for the Stand Assist Walking Transfer Aid, designed to help individuals with mobility impairments stand up and walk again. The shipping box is quite large. Height 70 centimeters, approximately 27.5 in. Length and width 80 centimeters, approximately 31.5 in. After unpacking all items from the box, first, secure the backrest. Pull the release rings on both sides simultaneously to lock it into place. Lay the frame down to install the front wheels. Use the 5mm Allen wrench. Remove the pre-installed bolts from the front wheel assemblies. Secure the front wheel assemblies to the main frame using the bolts. This is how it looks once both sides are installed. Turn the frame over to install the rear wheels. Remove the bolts and washers from the motorized rear wheel assembly. Align the mounting bolts with the holes on the frame near the seat. Ensure the motors face inward. Align the arrows on both cable connectors before plugging them in. Be careful not to pinch the cables when tightening the bolts. Once the wheels are secure, stand the machine upright. Remove the pre-installed screws from the frame. Install the mudguards. Align the quick release pin with the mounting hole to secure the connecting bar. Cut the zip tie on the footplate. Remove the bolts and washers from the footplates. Align the footplate with the grooves on the bar and tighten the bolts. Repeat for the other side. The footplates can be folded up when not in use. Use the 4mm Allen wrench. Remove the joystick controller. For shipping safety, the controller is mounted backward. Please flip it forward for use. Turn the controller to face forward. Mount and secure the controller using the bolts. Use the 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the bracket underneath. Please keep the keys safe. The key is required to lock the battery securely in place. Check the battery level before first use. Slide the battery pack into the mounting dock. Use the key to lock the battery pack. Turn on the main power switch. The headlight will flash when powered on. Pull the red clutch levers on the rear wheels backward to engage power drive mode. Push the red clutch levers forward to engage manual push mode. Note: the joystick controller will not function in manual mode. Press and hold the down button to lower the frame and activate stand assist mode. Unfold the harness support arms and insert the locking pins. The support arms feature multiple adjustment holes. Choose the hole that best fits the user's height. Attach the walking harness to the support arms using the carabiners. Your stand assist walking transfer aid is now ready for use.